Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Bisola with Lane, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful top that I have on here. It's really easy to make. It's probably just 2 or 3 stitches and you are done. So this is my fabric, and when you're making this top you want to look at your pattern, and I see that if I fold mine this way it's going to be so much better for me rather than folding it that way. See, I'm just gonna mess up the pattern over there, so I'm not going to fold it this way. I'm going to fold it like this, and I'm going to fold it into 2 unequal parts, just as you see me doing over there, which would measure about 20 inches or however long you want the front of your top to be. And once I fold it, making sure that it is even everywhere, I'm going to fold it back on top of each other just like this, so that now I have 4 layers of fabric and they are uneven. Now we're going to work on the neckline. See, I'm taking 5 inches wide and about 3 inches deep, and this is entirely up to you. You can do whatever you want. I create a square and I'm just going to create my neckline just like that. And of course I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to measure the armhole, which is usually 9 for me, and from there I'm going to mark it just like that. And the width of the dress, I'm taking out a 15 on the fold because I don't want it to be tight on me, so 15 works well, and you could just experiment with that really. So it's just not going to be fitted on the bottom. Stop about 1 inch or 1 inch before you get to the end of the first part, which is shorter, and you're just going to make a mark over there. I'm going to measure this exact same point just at the back like that, because this is the entire top. Okay, so that is for one side and this is for the other side. See how the other part is shut over there? And I'm also going to place some pins there, and I'm cutting out the neckline, and pretty much this is the only thing you have to cut out in this dress. I just place a notch there to help me identify the center of my dress. Another way to take out your 15 inches mark is to open your fabric over like that, and from the notch at the center of the neckline you just mark your 15 inches, and from the top of the fabric you measure down 9 inch, and it is at that point you are going to stitch all the way down until you get to 1 inch before the end of the shorter fold of the fabric. And for the neckline I'm just going to use bias tape to finish it. I will leave a link in the description to where I'm going to show you how to do that. Before then, I wanted it to have this kind of button, and just to be exact as this, so I am going to create a pleat. So I am going to like cut the front neckline just for a little bit like this, and so that it is just wider, and snip the center again and fold it over, just creating a pleat like that. The part over just like that. I'm going to place a pin there and secure that with a stitch before finishing my neckline with bias tape. And that is exactly what I am doing on the sewing machine. Measure all around your neckline to determine how much bias tape you'll be needing. I'm going to be needing 27. Make your bias tape about 20. I don't know, I think I have the ring on the wrong finger all the while, so okay, I don't know how that happened. Anyway, you sew just like that as I'm doing on the sewing machine, and you open it up and place it upon your top just like that. Place right sides to right sides and give a stitch along the first folded edge. I'm just pinning it down in 4 sections. It's easier to do it like that, and then you sew it all around. And this is the part where you just sew down that 15 inches and down by 9 inches that we already took. Just sew it on one side and sew it on the other side, and you are pretty much done with this project. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try it. I used just 1.5 yards of fabric for this, and I had a new dress. You want to finish the edge by just stitching it all around, or just folding it twice if you want to. But all right, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.